So my name is Monique, vrzovski, and my subtopic that I will be doing today is models, language and symbols for the decomposition algorithm for subtraction. So today I'll be focusing on that, and this activity is aimed for Year 3 students or any other year levels that don't know how to do this. This activity is relevant for many depending on the needs of the students. So the AusDoes curriculum that connects with this subtopic is recognise, model, represent and order numbers to at least 10,000. So I'll be introducing algorithms to the student, and when introducing the algorithms, if benefits can be an automated process that once understood provides an accurate and efficient means to finding a solution. Algorithms are dependable and efficient tools in mathematics. An advantage of the decomposition method is that initially easier to explain using, especially using place block values. And then although a disadvantage can be that the layout can get messy, and mainly because of all the markings that can lead to more errors. So hi Julie, before we start the activity today, I just want to refresh your memory on subtraction, so using language and symbols, and I just wanted to see if you could tell me some language words that could be used for subtraction today. Do you know any words that could be?
Minus.
Minus, yeah.
Take away.
Yeah.
And that's it.
That's it? Okay. So we've also got equals, makes and that are used for language in subtraction. And if you could just draw for me, if you know the subtraction symbol and equal symbol.
That's the subtraction.
Yeah, that's correct.
And that's the equal symbol.
Yeah. So Julie has shown the subtraction symbol and equal symbol. So she does have prior knowledge of subtraction language and symbols. So today's lesson, Julie, will be subtracting large numbers of 2 or more digits. This will be shown in vertical columns. And first, do you know what column we subtract from first? So we've got the hundred, tens and units. So could you tell me, do you know which column we start? Yes, that's right.
And then the tens?
Yes.
And then the hundreds?
Yes, that's correct. So the first activity we have today is called takeaway tiles. So that is the takeaway tiles. And I will be giving you numbers from 0 to 9. And the aim of this activity is to make, using each of the 10 numbers, only one, so that the top number equals the third number. So if you do need help counting back when you're using the board, I have a number line here, which helps if the student needs to visually see numbers instead if they find it difficult to work it out in their heads. So I've got numbers here for you to use and to make an equation.
So I've got 8.
Yep.
1. 7. And 9. Then you'll have to put it here.
Yep, so you want this, the first answer, which is 1, the top line, you want it to minus another number, which will give you the answer here. So you can use your 9 numbers to work out what number you put 1 minus something.
So 1 minus, that will, what number will give me?
Yeah. That will give you the answer.
Oh, okay. So I can just put any number?
Yep, but it has to give you the answer.
Okay. So let's do.
So puzzles like this do give us a lot of mental practice, and it's a good feeling for the students when they do find a solution for them. And if you need, you can swap around if it doesn't.
Oh, I think I'm confused.
Okay, that's right. So as Julie found it was a bit confusing. I used my one-on-one help to help her reshuffle the numbers and to find the right solution. So we did find the answer to that. So Julie, what was the answer to this equation?
9 minus 5 give me 4.
Yeah.
7 minus 1 give me 6. 8 minus 3 give me 5. And 2 minus 0 give me 0.
So
No.
2 minus 0 would give you 2.
2. Yeah.
So
And then
can
I
you
would have
tell
to
me-
write the 2 here.
yeah, so can you tell me what strategy, looking at this strategy board here, what strategy you used for to help you work out your answer?
I guess and check first.
Yeah.
Then I seek an exception, but then I got a little bit confused, so I went backwards and then tried to rearrange by just trying to make a model or try to guess again and check.
Yeah, that's great. So a strategy board is good for children to use if they do get stuck. They can go back and look at a strategy they may use to help them work out the answer. So, okay, that's there. So the next activity, we are going to be using the whiteboard, and we are going to be using the MAB blocks to help us work out the equation. So the equation we're going to be doing is 453 minus 126. So if we look at the columns here, could you tell me where your 100, tens and unit columns are?
So that's my 100 column, tens column, and units column.
Yes. So could you tell me what column, so we're going to start from our units.
Yep.
So what are we going to be subtracting first?
3 minus 6.
Okay, so if we were to do it vertically, we are going to be doing it like this. So can you minus 3 take away 6?
No.
No. Okay, can you show me with the MAB blocks what, with the units, can you get me at 3 and 6?
3. 3. So that's 6.
Okay, so from using the units MAB blocks, can you minus 3 take away 6?
No.
No. So do you know what you have to do to allow this to happen?
I have to borrow the 5.
Yeah, so what column do you borrow from?
The 10s.
10? Yep. So we're going to be borrowing from the 10, so we're going to cross out the 5 and we're going to make that 4. And where are we going
Put
to
a
add?
10 here.
A 10 here. So then we will be able to do that equation now.
So we do 10 minus 6, which would be 4.
Yeah.
And we plus the 3, which is 7.
So the answer will be 7.
Yep.
And now you've got your 10s column. So using your 10 blocks, can you get me 4? Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, and then that's 2.
So what would the answer be for that one?
4 minus 2 will be 2. 4 minus 2 will be 2.
Yeah. And then now we've got, what column can you tell me?
100.
100 columns. So using our hundreds, could you get me 400? Take away 100.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep.
And 1.
Okay, so could you tell me what the answer of that would be?
4 minus 1 is 3.
3. So Julie, while working out this equation, Julie has used the strategy of counting backwards using her hands, and this is a way that that's her learning style that suits her best to work out this equation. So Julie, could you tell me what the answer to this equation is?
327.
Yes, and Julie has used and knows the columns of 100, tens and units, and has used that to gather her answer.